TEC Multipurpose Primer is used when installing a new floor to enable the bond of the TEC self-leveling underlayment. Before starting, use the water droplet test to determine how absorbent your substrate is. For porous substrates, you need to dilute the primer so it soaks into the surface. For non-porous substrates, there's no need to dilute the primer. In this case, our surface is porous and absorbs the water in less than 30 seconds. So we're going to mix 1 part primer to 3 parts clean, potable water. After combining the primer and water, stir the mixture. Now you're ready to get started. Using a nap roller, apply the primer in a zigzag motion, making sure to cover the entire surface with an even coat. After about 45 minutes, the primer will be dry and ready for application of the self-leveling underlayment. Remember to read the instructions on the multi-purpose primer label or datasheet before getting started. To learn more, visit techspecialty.com and search for multi-purpose primer.